To order a complete battery replacement kit, please visit our website at newpower99.com. newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.
Begin by using the special tool provided in your kit from NewPower99 to open your Samsung Galaxy Tab 7 Plus as shown. Remove the 6 screws securing the original battery. Disconnect and remove the original battery. Place a new extended life battery from newpower99.com into your device and connect. Replace the 6 screws. Replace the cover and snap in place as shown. Turn on your Galaxy Tab 7 Plus with its newly installed battery from newpower99.com. Your Galaxy Tab 7 Plus should now work perfectly. Be sure to charge the unit for at least 2 hours before continuing to use.
NewPower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.